everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to train players in FC Mobile. Training players in FC Mobile is key to unlocking better performance in matches, improving stars, chemistry and skills. In order to train players in FC Mobile, first of all go ahead and launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside the main home page, click on the club button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now, click on Players on the right corner, and then you will be able to get inside this Player tab. To train a player, select one of the players and click on Training. Now, go ahead and tap on the player you want to train, or you can also tap on Auto Select and select the level of your player and click on Train. Right after you do that, you will be able to train the bunch of players. You can now go ahead and claim your rewards for training your players. So that's how you easily train players in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.